Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, a polygon has its sum of interior angles smaller than 2950 degrees. So we have to find the maximum number of sides the polygon can have so that the condition is satisfied. So we know that there is a relation between the number of sides and the total sum of the interior angles. And the relation is total sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon, total sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon is given by the formula 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2. Now according to the question, total sum of interior angles, total sum of interior angles is less than 2950 degrees. Therefore, 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2, where n is the number of sides, is less than 2950 degrees. Divide both sides of the equality by 180, so we will have n minus 2 is less than 2950 upon 180. So 2950 upon 180 will give us 16.38, or if we approximate it will be 16.39. Now carefully observe, the left hand side is equals n minus 2, where n is an integer as well as 2 is an integer. So the difference of two integers will always be an integer, but the right side is a rational number. So what we have to do is, in order to maintain get an equality, we have to convert the right side to an integer. So the greatest integer, which is less than 16.39, is 16. So the required equality will become n minus 2 equals 16. Shift minus of 2 to the right hand side, so it will become plus 2. Therefore n will be equal 16 plus 2, which is 18. Therefore number of sides, or rather we can say maximum number of sides of the required polygon, maximum number of sides will be equals 18, and thus this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.